Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is November 10th. It is report day. That is going to be the primary focus as we get closer to 11 o'clock Central Time. We are starting the grains off a little bit lower, though. Corn down 1.50 cents, beans down 2.5 cents, wheat down about a penny. But we are looking at a lower start this morning. And I think a lot of it could be, I think the report, number one, but we're still finding some follow through of the stronger dollar. The expectation to see interest rates rise this year yet is keeping the dollar extremely strong, putting pressure on commodities in general. You get that macro sense of selling, and that still persists here today. With the dollar up 42 cents again, crude oil setting back down 20 cents right now. Stock market down 40. But as I mentioned, it is report day. Supply and demand, we're going to see new carryout numbers today. Ending stocks are expected to increase. So we're looking at carryout numbers. For corn, the average trade guess just below 1.6 billion carryout. The number is 1.597 is what they're looking for. For beans, 436 million. That's an increase from last report. And then for wheat, 877 million, still a big number there. But not expecting to see any acreage change on this report. Things that may end up being changed is we can go ahead and change yield, so they can look at that. And I should say, will we see anything in here for demand? We know how slow we've been. As far as export sales, we know how behind we are. Will we see some demand changed on this report from the USDA? That would be probably a bearish thing and part of the reason to see ending stocks increase. So we'll see what happens if that is the case. This report is out at 11 o'clock today, so keep an eye on that. The other thing is livestock. Cattle. We were limit down yesterday. We do have expanded limits today for fats and feeders. So after the University of Texas came out with their announcement yesterday, basically finding or stating that they're tying meat with kidney cancer, we were down limit right after that story broke and didn't move since then. So probably going to see some more follow through of that here today. Expecting to see more of a lower opening, at least to start today, and we'll see how we finish. But box beef coming in mixed. Choice down 79, select down 56. And so no cash trades as of yet, still waiting to see what happens there. But cash is king. We'll see how that's going to affect things as we trade later on this week. Hogs, probably going to start off steady to a little better. We did see cutout values up 114. That's pretty good. We haven't seen, we need to see a turnaround there for hogs. We do have the futures at such a discount right now to the cash market. We need to get that cash to stabilize in order to get these futures to find a low here as well. As I mentioned, stock market down 40, but crude oil down 20 cents. You got the dollar up 42, pretty strong, keeping a negative tone around commodities here this morning. But give us a call if you have any questions, 800-262-7538, or on the web at allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day today. Good luck out there, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.